Hello, viewers! Today, our ThetravelB is heading to a beautiful homestay on a small hilltop in Wayanad. The adventurous drive leads to an amazing property, the Periaheights. Nestled amidst the emerald landscapes of Wayanad, Periaheights Homestay offers more than just a place to rest. It's a soulful escape into nature's embrace. Tucked along the scenic Mananthavady-Kannur route, this hidden gem invites you to unwind in serenity, soak in timeless charm, and experience hospitality that feels like home. This homestay is lovingly managed by the gracious hosts Murali and Jaya, whose warm smiles and impeccable hospitality make you feel like part of their family from the moment you arrive. The homestay boasts 4 well-appointed bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed to offer maximum comfort while blending seamlessly with the serene surroundings. Whether you are a couple seeking a romantic retreat, a family looking for quality time, or a group of friends on an adventure, there is space for everyone here. And for those cozy moments indoors, the large common area is perfect for bonding over indoor games, laughter, and conversation. But what truly makes Periaheights stand out is its unique location. Surrounded by lush tea estates, you can enjoy long, peaceful walks amidst the fragrant plantations or simply soak in the breathtaking views from the property. And when it's time to refuel, the food here is nothing short of a culinary delight. Indulge in authentic Kerala dishes made with love and fresh, locally sourced ingredients, mostly from their farm. And do not miss out the Kerala special Sadya. And the best part? Every dish is thoughtfully customized to your liking. At Periaheights Homestay, every moment is a chance to unwind, reconnect with nature, and make lasting memories. Whether it's a misty sunrise, a laid-back evening in the common area, a starry night spent by the bonfire, or a heartfelt conversation over a meal, this homestay feels like a home away from home. So, why wait? Escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and let Periaheights, surrounded by the serene tea estates of Wayanad, offer you a slice of heaven. Reserve your stay and let the warmth of heartfelt hospitality embrace you. Until next time, happy traveling!